Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock in an instant pot. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken bones, which can be from a leftover roast chicken or raw. Next, chop up some aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onion. Finally, have your bay leaves, peppercorns, and a pinch of salt ready to enhance the flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Carefully place all your chicken bones, chopped vegetables, and aromatics into the instant pot. Pour in about 8 cups of cold water, ensuring all ingredients are fully submerged. Secure the lid, set the vent to ceiling, and cook on high pressure for 90 minutes. After cooking, allow a natural pressure release for at least 20 minutes before opening. Once the pressure has fully released, carefully remove the lid. Using a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth, strain the rich liquid into a large bowl. Discard all the cooked solids. Allow the stock to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can refrigerate your homemade chicken stock for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months. For an even richer, more flavorful stock, consider roasting your chicken bones before adding them to the instant pot. This step adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Also, a splash of apple cider vinegar, about 1 tablespoon, can help extract more minerals from the bones. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken stock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.